In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add UTM capture to your workflow and view attribution reports. If you're running ads or sharing links across multiple channels, UTM parameters help you understand exactly where your leads are coming from. By saving those values on the contact record and reviewing them in reports, you'll get clear insights into which sources drive results. Start by heading to your automation area. Open the workflow you use for new inquiries. Here, we'll use the new lead intake workflow. This is the perfect place to capture tracking details because it runs as soon as a lead enters your system. Inside the workflow, click the plus icon to add a new action. From the action list, choose Update Contact field. This tells the system to write a value directly to the contact's profile so it's available for filtering, segmenting, and reporting later. Next, click Add Field. Then click Select Field and pick Lead Source UTM. This field is designed to store the UTM source value, such as Google, Facebook, newsletter, or any other source you include in your URLs. Keeping source consistent is important for clean reporting, so use the exact naming conventions you use in your campaign links. Now enter a value. If your forms or tracking tools are already passing UTM data into the workflow, choose or insert the value that represents the lead source so it's recorded accurately. If you're standardizing sources manually, type the exact source name you want to save for this workflow path. Clear, consistent values make your attribution data far more reliable. Click Save Action to confirm the update, and then click Save on the workflow itself. Saving both ensures your new field update is live and will apply to every lead that runs through this workflow going forward. With capture in place, go to Reporting. Open the attribution report to analyze performance. Here you can see which sources are generating leads and outcomes over a selected date range. Use filters to compare time periods or narrow to specific sources, and watch how consistent UTM naming turns scattered traffic into an organized story about where your best leads originate. That's it. You've added UTM capture to your workflow and set yourself up to read attribution clearly. As a tip, keep your UTM naming simple and consistent across campaigns, and periodically review the report to double-check that incoming sources match your expectations. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.